टू अनदर ब्लॉग। एंड अभी मैं भांडुप में हूँ क्योंकि मेरे मॉम को कुछ काम था, वो करने के लिए आया था। तो अभी मैं मेरा काम करने जा रहा हूँ लोहार का, जो CST और मस्जिद बंदर के बीच में है। तो वो क्या काम है आपको वही जाके बताऊँगा। तो लेट्स गो। So guys, now I reached to Masjid Bandar and we want to go there. So let's go. This place is called Lohar Chal. It is 10 minutes away from the Masjid Bandar station. Here you will find all the electronic stuff. It is the very huge market of electronic stuff. So I will show you some things. So guys, I am here because very few people know I am doing the setup for studio setup in my house. And I want some lights for the lightning setup, so I am here to buy them. So hope you will find that lights, and I'll also show you the market. There till there. Market of electronic stuff, all the electronic decorative stuff. So if you want to buy some electronics, lighting and stuff, so please come here, because here you can find very 50% discount on every product. They sold at very cheap price. And मुझे पता है मैं लेट हूँ यहाँ ये जगह दिखाने में, क्योंकि मुझे दिवाली से पहले दिखाना चाहिए था, बट तो क्या हुआ, नेक्स्ट दिवाली है, फिर उसके बाद क्रिसमस है, न्यू ईयर है, सो यू कैन कम हियर। एंड अभी मैं मेरा जो बल्ब्स एंड लाइटिंग स्टफ चाहिए वो ढूंढता हूँ। लेट्स गो। kept it so short and informative. My previous vlogs are so lengthy and entertaining, but I thought I should keep it short and informative. And if you want to buy some electronic stuff, so you should go there and buy some stuff. If you want to go there, I am giving the full address in description, so check out that. And let me show you what I bought there. I bought this two LED bulbs from Philips, and which is 20 watt LED bulbs, and its actual price is 420 rupees. I hope you guys can see 420 rupees and for one bulb, and I just bought it for 350 rupees. So I got discounts of 70 rupees, which is so awesome and nice. So go there if you want to buy some electronic and decorative stuff. So that's it for it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. And if you don't know how to subscribe, so click here. Here my face will pop up. Then click there and you will get the subscribe button and click to subscribe. And